fog lights on these 5th Gen 4Runners are okay. They're not great, they're just okay. They are LED, but they're really just okay. Today we're going to install an aftermarket set of LED amber lights that I think are going to be a big improvement. It really should be easy. It should be plug and play. Stick around, we'll see if we can make this 5th Gen 4Runner just a tad bit better. Come here. The lights we're installing are these Auxbeam 3-inch Pro pod lights, and there's a lot going on here. So this is an aluminum housing light, and I bought the bezel and the mounting brackets for the 5th Gen 4Runner, and they just screw right onto the side. And it also comes with this adapter. It also comes with this adapter pigtail, and if all goes well, it should really just plug right into 4Runner. So pretty simple. This is a traditional light, and it comes with traditional stuff. You can get a, well, it comes with clear lenses. If you want to run clear lenses, you can swap them out. It comes with a regular mounting bracket, traditional style, mount it on the bumper or flat surface mounting bracket. And it even comes with the wiring harness, which we are not going to use in this application. These lights are rated IP68 waterproof, and you can get them in all kinds of different lenses. You can get the spot, the amber flood, the amber combo, which is the one we got, and then the same in the clear lens. So a lot of different options with this light. This is what the amber combo looks like. So you can see it has like a little fog light, light dissipation lens at the bottom, and then more of a spot on the top. So hopefully we'll see an improvement. A pair of these puts out 80 watts of power, which is 9,600 lumens. You don't have to take the tire off. You just turn it in or turn it out, whichever is going to give you more room. You take out these screws, peel your inner fender back, and we should be able to reach it inside. I think I might turn the wheel the other way. Okay, I got the wheel turned the other way, and I think it's going to definitely give me more room, especially when I got to peel the inner fender back. Let's go get some wrenches, and I will get those screws out of there. Okay, here's our access. A little bit dark in there, I apologize for that, but we've got 3 bolts here that have to come off. I took one off up here. There's one here, and then there's one here. So these are all the bolts. 1 in the front, 4 on the front of the splash shield, 1 on the back, and then, I don't know, 1 spare. I already got a spare. The passenger side has this cover on it. In order to get that off, you've got to push in those tabs right here on the side. And you can just do that. And you really only need to use a flathead screwdriver, but it's up in there. It's not difficult. You can do it. It's a little bit of a pain in the neck. Now I'm going to take out those 2 Phillips head screws, and that light should come right out. All right, here we have the old one. And then this is the new one. So this one goes in like this. So we look at it, and we got the tabs up there. Got the new mounting holes there. We got our spotlight up at the top. We got our diffused light at the bottom. I mean, there's really no reason why these won't go in. So the plugs even look like they match. So let's go see if we can get these installed. All right, I still got to tighten up the screws, but not a bad fit. It's got a little bit of a gap right here. We'll see what that looks like once I get everything tightened up. Believe it or not, the headlights are on. We're sitting in direct sunlight, but if you come around, you'll see that they are on. You'll also see that the fog lights are on. But if we come over here, you'll see that these are just a tad brighter. This one here, she has an addiction. She almost needs an intervention, this one. You know, like I said, it's got a little bit of a gap there, but the light doesn't move. I mean, it's in there. The cord hangs down a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and roll all that up. I'm really not sure if you can see it, but it's in. The only thing we have to do now is put this cover back on, which just slides in. So I think we're good. All right, we got this side done. We'll go ahead and start taking this side apart. This side should be a little bit easier. It doesn't have that plastic cover over. I'm not going to film the driver's side because it's pretty much the same thing as I just did. I'm fighting the sun, creating a lot of shadows. It's making it hard to see, making it hard to film. So let me swap out the driver's side and I'll be right back. All right, there they are, daytime. One spot, two spot. There's the driver's side. Here's the passenger side. Overall, it went pretty well. I'd say overall it took about an hour, but it wasn't too bad. The passenger side was definitely worse than the driver's side. You don't need a lot of tools. These are the tools that I used. The only thing that's not there that I did end up using was a zip tie to tie up the wires nice. This side is definitely easier than the passenger side. Overall, pretty happy. This one also has a gap, just like the other side. It's only about 12:30 in the afternoon right now, so I got a few more chores to do around the house. I'm going to mow the grass and other stuff, but tonight when it gets dark, I'll take you out and you can check it out and we'll both see if this is an improvement or not. All right, you guys are going to see it the same time as me, so this is the first time we're turning them on at night. Okay. I'd say right off the bat, it's already an improvement. There's a lot of discussion out there about whether you should have an amber light or a white light, especially when it comes to like snow, fog, rain. I happen to fall in the amber light category. I'm not sure if that's just because my eyesight's going in my old age, or if I'm just, I don't know if it's all in my head or not, but I prefer the amber with the bad weather. So if I flip on just the high beams alone, this is what we get. And if I go back to the low beam, I get this. I feel like it doesn't have the same pattern as the stock lights. I feel like the height of the lights is maybe a little bit higher. I think overall it's going to be an improvement. So this is low beam without the fog lights. And this is low beam with the fog lights. I think there's an improvement. I'll try to put some footage side by side. So if you've made it this far in the video, obviously you're a little bit curious. Do you prefer the amber or the white lights? What do you have on your vehicle, and why do you run what you run? So this little section right here has no street lights whatsoever. So fog lights, no fog lights. Fog lights, no fog lights. I like it. I think these are going to work good. We'll see if I get flashed. So from inside the car, we've got fog lights, no fog lights. Now right there, I noticed that the fog lights are actually outperforming the low beams. See if we can pick it up here again. We'll get past the street light. So we got a little uphill. So the fog lights are actually going beyond the high beam, or beyond. The fog lights are actually going beyond the low beam. So here we are again. No street lights, and there we go. So definitely an improvement. We got a nice little stretch here. It's dark right here. No street lights. So we have fog lights, no fog lights. Fog lights, no fog lights. We'll do that again outside the sunroof. Fog lights, no fog lights. All right, well, I think it's a win. I'm either going to get flashed with high beams coming at me the other direction, or they're going to work out well. Time will tell. Okay, past one truck. No high beam yet. There's two, no high beam. See, we just passed 4 cars. Nobody's high beamed me yet. And there's the 5th car, no high beam. All right, I guess we're going to call this a win. At least I think so. Time will tell. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you. You are better than most. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.